Now, did you know that you can actually update your LinkedIn profile with a career break if you have any reason to go on a career break? Say you want to have a baby, you'll be off work for a period of time, close to 9 months or maybe 1 year. You can update that on your LinkedIn page to say you're on break. Or if you're going to take another degree, like you're going for study, for a master's or a PhD and you're not working full time, you can actually update that on your LinkedIn as a career break. Now, one of the mistakes I made when I left Nigeria, when I migrated to the UK, I didn't know I migrated for my master's degree. I didn't quite know I could actually update my LinkedIn with my career break. I wish I knew. If I did know what I know now, I probably would have done that. Now, if you're in my shoes, you're going for away for any reason, you want to go on a break, you can actually update that on LinkedIn. I'm going to show you how to do it in this video. Now, looking at my screen, you have my page. When you go to my page, underneath where you have open to work, add section, enhance profile, we're going to click on add section because we're adding a section to our LinkedIn. So there's core, there's recommended, and there's additional. I think it should be under core. If you click on the drop down on my right hand side, it will give you all the different sections. Let's go right into career break. Add career break. You click on career break, and now you want to now fill in the box. It pops up for you, so you can add all the necessary places, all the necessary information you need to add. So now it says add career break. Experiences outside a linear career path can make people better colleagues, thought partners, and leaders. So share those moments that make you unique. So you could be going on a break for any reason. And they're giving you a list of reasons why you're going on a break. It could be for bereavement, career transition, caregiving, gap year, layoff, relocation. Like when I left Nigeria, I should have clicked on relocation, travel, voluntary work. It could be anything. For instance, if I click on relocation for the sake of this video, and then I'll put the location I am going to. So I could put Scotland, United Kingdom. So when you type where you're going to, it brings up brings up more information, then you just click on it. So I am currently on a career break, and then you want to put the start month. So what is the start month of your career break? Say you're going in March, and then what year it should be 2020. Okay, say my career break is going to start in July and it was 2026 this year. So this is a break while at so this is giving me two options. Are you going on break where you're working, or are you ending a current position as of now? So I will put this is a break as of now because I'm not going to save this because it's going to update my LinkedIn. But this is how you add a position, a career break to your LinkedIn. Then you can put like a description, traveling for a new degree. I'm going to type here, traveling or relocating for a new degree. And it's not going to type, okay, relocating for a new degree. Uh, Going for a master's degree in Scotland. So your profile heading will be what? Now you want to update your profile heading, appears below your name at the top of your profile. On break, anything you feel like you want to put there, you can put there. And if you have media, you want to add like an image of whatever you're working on or whatever you want to do. If you choose to, you can decide to go on and add that to your career break. And when you're finished and you're happy with what you've done, you can now click on save. So I said start date cannot be in the future. So say my start date is in May. If that works for you, good. So yeah, that's a start date. So you currently will have to update your according to what we've seen now, you can update your career break when you're starting. You cannot update it in the future. It has to be in the present or maybe in the past. Okay. And then you click on save, and then it automatically saves this to your LinkedIn profile where it updates this to have like a gap. It will put in your LinkedIn profile, it will show as a career gap under your experience section. That's where you find the break which you have just created on your LinkedIn. I hope you found this useful. If you have any questions, any need for help on your LinkedIn, please leave a comment below and reach out to me. Connect with me on LinkedIn so we can be connections. I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.